Peace be upon you, my dear fourth grade pupils. These are three sounds to pronounce ed according to verb 2 in the simple past. Number 1, number 2, I, d. Number 3, d, d, d. Looked, helped, fixed, liked, missed, worked, stopped, asked. If ed comes after the k, f, s, sh sounds, you must pronounce ed as t, t, t. Again, looked, t, helped, fixed, liked, missed, worked, stopped, asked. Don't pronounce e. Number 2, if ed comes before, after t or d, you must pronounce it as ed. Needed, you must pronounce e. Waited, imported, painted, collected, started. إذا يمس الإي دي إذا أجا قبلها تي أو دي لازم تلفظ الإي هنا فقط مع الدي. needed, waited, imported, painted, collected, started. أما يمس باقي أصوات الحروف اللي بتيجي قبل الإي دي فبطلع صوت الإي دي د د د. باقي أصوات الحروف يعني بدنا نشيل من هون السبعة اللي حكيناهم ش، وهنا بدنا نشيل حرفين اللي هو التي والدي. باقي الأصوات فبيطلع معك الصوت إيش؟ د د. tried, saved, showed, loved, used, arrived, lived, played. Don't pronounce e. Again, tried, saved, showed, loved, used, arrived, lived, played. Okay?